Hello viewers, welcome to Wealth Coach. Today we are going to talk about how to make consistent money in stock market. Yes, there are several ways to make consistent money in stock market. Let's see the options and what is the probability of each of that. Let's get started. The first thing is investing in stocks or trading in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a short-term, mid-term or long-term goals, and depending on your stock selection, you can get the good returns. And if your stock selection goes wrong, you will lose the money. So the probability here is 50-50. And next it comes to stock trading. Even in stock trading, the probability is 50-50. If you guess the trend right and invest in the right direction, you will make money. And if you guess the direction wrong and invest in opposite direction or trade in opposite direction, you will lose money. So there are some strategies for stock trading like MACD, RSI, moving average. So most of the traders teach about this in YouTube channels. Today I'm not going to teach any of this, but I'll just show you an example where all of this can go wrong in any or one of the scenarios. For example, here I have MACD and here I have CCI 8. So most people, I see a lot of videos in YouTube saying that whenever this CCI goes above, wait for it, and whenever it comes back, do short selling. And again, when it goes down, buy it back. And whenever it is moving from down to up, buy it here and wait, and then whenever it reaches above 70 or 80, sell it off. That's when they make money. But these strategies cannot give you consistent money. Maybe out of 10 times it gives you money for 6 times and makes loss for 4 times. And whenever there is a loss, it will be huge. If you see here, the same strategy, if we apply here, if you sell at this point, this is ICICI stock. If you sell at 368, the moment it within fraction of minutes it came down, and here it closed at 359, and then again it went low of 354. So here we are losing approximately 10 points within a short span of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So this kind of movements will give you a lot of loss, and out of 10 times, if you're making 6 profits, the remaining 4 losses will be more than your profits. So the probability here again is 50-50. So there are many other strategies in stocks which you can find a lot of videos in YouTube, but most of them are not consistent. It can be consistent, but you have to be accurate and you have to be disciplined for that. And it comes with practice. And people who are working, they cannot be doing trading on a day-to-day basis because we need to monitor the charts very closely and take action immediately. Next comes is options. So there is something called as derivative market, future and options. Those who don't know about derivative market, you can check other videos and know about it. And even in options, there are many strategies like naked buying or option selling or expiry trading. And naked buying is nothing but buying on one side, whether CE or PE. And if your direction is wrong, you'll make loss. So the probability here is 50-50. Option selling, there are many other strategies in option selling. I'll show you one strategy now. Yeah, so this is one short iron condor strategy in option selling, wherein currently the market is trading at 11,200. So we are selling a call option of 11,500, and we're also selling a put option of 10,800. So this will become a short strangle. To save this, we are also buying a position of 10,600 put and 11,700 call option. So what will happen is, if the market is closing within this range of 10,800 and 11,500, we'll make a profit of 13,500. But even if your direction is wrong, what will happen is we'll end up with minimal loss. So in this strategy, whenever the market is going down, you will lose money in this because the value will increase, but whereas your CE will reduce and you'll make money here. At the same time, this put option will be a hedging put option. This will increase and save your put, and both the C's will reduce and give you money. Similarly, if the market is going up, uptrend, Your call option will lose money, and your call buy option will save you some money, and both the put options will go down and give you some money. So whatever the direction is, you will be in a minimal loss, and if it expires within this range, you will make a profit of 2700. So this is one of the simple strategy which I have explained you. There are many other strategies like short straddle, iron butterfly, short triangle, and if you're bullish, there are some bull call spread, and if you're bearish, there are some bid put spread, and so on. So this is a vast subject. Once after you start, if you want to understand options, you need to learn all of these strategies. And here in this option strategies, the probability is high. Around 80% of chances or 90% of chances, you'll most of the times you will make money, and only 10 to 20% you might lose money. And whenever you're losing money, we can still save our positions with some adjustments and come out of it with profit or with minimal loss. But whereas in trading in stocks, you'll not have that adjustment options. And the last thing is expiry trading. Expiry trading is trading nowadays. So what happened is every Nifty and Bank Nifty have a weekly options now. And if you see this strategy, this will expire on August 20, which means you just have 3 more days of trading to expire. So within these 3 days, market moving from here to 15,000 or from the current position to 10,800 is, I would say, only 10% chances or 20% chances. That's the reason we have a probability of 80% here. And on expiry, what will happen is this will still come closer, and people will start doing the expiry trading and start selling at 2 rupees or 1 rupees to make money. But for that, we need a good capital so that we can sell large quantity at rupees 1 or rupees 2 and make money. At the same time, we should also know how to do adjustments if our direction or view goes wrong. So this trading in stocks or trading in options, we have to be accurate, and we have to be disciplined as well. But how to set up trading as a business model? So setting trading as a business model, we have two options. One is positional trading and one is expiry trading. Positional trading, as I explained you can place this strategy now. This is positional trading. You can place this strategy now, and now it is taking another 3 days to expire. But here the capital is huge. We need around 4.7 lakhs of capital. Whereas if you're doing intraday, even in intraday we have some strategies. If you are bullish, you can go with some of the bullish strategies, and if you're bearish, you can go with some of the bearish strategies. But if you want to set up a business model in trading, option selling and playing with the strategies is very important. But for that, you need a capital. You need to have a minimum capital of 5 to 6 lakhs to start with, or you can even start with 3 lakhs. If you see here, I have this strategy is placed for 10 lots. If you make it for 2 lots each, automatically the profit will also come down, and also the margin, the capital will also come down. So here on every week we can make easily 1% from Nifty, which will be every week if I make 1%, 52 weeks we can make 52%. In nowhere we can get this rental income. So if you see here, I have reduced these quantities to 2 lots now, and even now the probability is same, 80%, and the profit has been reduced now. Profit has been reduced to 2,700, and even the capital has been reduced to 1 lakh. So let's say if you're investing 1 lakh and holding it for 3 days, and you're getting a profit of 2%, approximately 2%. Nowhere in this world you will get 2% in 3 days. And here if you're getting 2% every week with these positional strategies, you'll end up making 52%. That's how most people set up their business in stock market, and that's how they make consistent money. And here if you see, the max loss is also 27,000, but the probability of making loss is only 20%. And even if that is happening, we should know how to do the adjustments and how to come out without loss or with less profit. And even on expiries, we can do this option selling on both sides, short triangles and iron condor, to make consistent money. So this is the perfect business model wherein you can make consistent money in stock market, and this is what most people do to make it as a business model and generate regular income from stock market. But whereas trading in stocks or options, you have to be accurate, you have to be consistent, and even if your view goes wrong, you know how to make adjustments. We can do adjustment in options, but we cannot do adjustment in stocks. And top of it, the most important thing is, before investing your money in stocks or options or before starting your trading journey, learn market before investing and then only invest your money. And once after you learn about market, do some paper trading and paper investing and then invest your real money. Thanks for watching this video. Our website is wealthcoach.co.in. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9491909020, and our Twitter handle is wealthcoachteam. In our Twitter handle, we'll be posting some of the strategies, option strategies, and some of the breakouts. So just follow us and make use of it. Thank you.